Kemove, an upgradable 64 to 66 key mechanical keyboard. Kemove comes with two versions, 61 key and 64 key, which consists of a shorter spacebar and two magic keys. The magic keys can be remapped to any key or key combinations as you wish. The drive also enables you to arbitrarily remap keys and assign macros or commands to specific key combinations on 3 individual layers, with each layer dedicated to a specific application. Swapping the switches is easy since you don't need to solder each switch. Just pop them in and they're ready to go. The mechanical switches feature gold-plated contacts, superior in connectivity and responsiveness, and in order to push the boundaries of the speed, precision, and water resistance to meet the needs of different gamers. The Kemove keyboard works perfectly with macOS, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems with a simple slide of a button. We use the most updated Bluetooth 5.1 technology to guarantee stable connections with up to 3 devices simultaneously. The drive provides 22 preset and limitless customary RGB lighting modes for you to choose 5 from to configure on your keyboard. Their gently curved finger touch feeling, collapsible 8.5-degree rubber feet offer the most comfortable typing experience and legend visibility. We chose to use the PBT keycaps. PBT keycaps are heavier in weight, higher in strength, hardness, and rigidity. The keycaps are meticulously positioned only 0.8 millimeters to the borders on all sides. This keyboard can pair with your device to 50 hours on a single charge. Kemove is going to amaze you as the ultimate keyboard that once you try it, you will never go back to the old one.